Do you want to effortlessly add an admin to your Facebook page? First, don't forget to like the video to support us. Start your journey by going to Facebook settings. This is the gateway to effectively managing your page, so don't rush this process. Once in settings, navigate to the page access option. This is where you'll find a like. Next, you'll search for the desired user ID that you want to promote to admin status. This is like finding a key to improving the functionality of your page. Once you've found the right ID, the next step is to secure your account. Enter your Facebook password, a crucial step to ensure the security of your page. This step reflects the importance of privacy and the importance of protecting your admin privileges. Now, here comes the important part. After entering your password, a confirmation request will be sent to the user ID you're adding as an admin. It's almost like sending an invitation to collaborate on your page. The added admin can accept the request, thus transforming them into a valuable asset for your page's management team. So friends, don't forget to give your valuable feedback and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thank you for being a part of our community as we grow together on this digital platform.